Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Triton dual cab GLX, stock reference number 4263. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 4D56, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand side and roof. The bonnet has a couple of small dents. We have the radiator grille, bull bar, steel, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. The bull bar does have some damage on the left-hand corner. Still may be usable. This vehicle's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a flat tyre. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory bumper bar, supplied with all bolts and brackets. It's got a Baroni brand tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right hand tail light, factory fitted alloy sports bar, painted black with all bolts and brackets. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front, factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right hand guard has a couple of small dents and a factory snorkel that may require a top. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.